quick update on this thing. Managed to get the intake manifold off and all the stuff at the top. Basically just got it ready so it could be mounted on the engine stand back there. Ran into a number of issues, studs and nuts for the up pipe to turbo, all corroded. The studs basically came off. Obvious signs of head gasket failure. It's looking pretty beat up. AC compressor belt tensioner ruined the center timing cover there. It looks like it did some damage to the idler or timing tensioner, but I'll see once I get it off.